Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. I had mentioned this in my most recent weekly vlog. Today I am going to be doing my face with my mom's makeup bag. I'm already scared. Okay, let me just clarify first. I had a lot of issues with this in the weekly vlog when I had mentioned that we were going to be doing this, and I thought I was like really clear, but maybe I wasn't. This is my mom's makeup bag from last year, maybe longer. I know that doesn't sound very good, but a lot of people were like, why don't you give your mom makeup? You have all this makeup. Of course I give my mom makeup. She has so many beauty products, so much clothing. Just, I love to give Mama Fearless things that I get and things that I buy constantly. I would never let my mom have just this makeup bag. But to be totally honest, my mom just kind of got into makeup like last year. She's very simple. She likes just bronzer and mascara most of the time. So I'm a little curious to see what is in her makeup bag. She gave me a little bit of a rundown in the last weekly vlog, so you guys know I like to go full glam. I like a lot of coverage. Oh god, but my mom has like really good skin and she's very light on her makeup, so this is her makeup bag. All right, let's just do this. All I know is we have one brush, and I think that's the only brush. The only brush. We have one brush. This is just like a standard powder brush. Okay, so this is the foundation she was using. The MAC Next to Nothing face color, aka no coverage, and your girl has a lot to cover. So she has this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt face sculpting kit. She's like, it has everything. It has all your bronzers, different colors. And she's like, you're gonna laugh. This is what I use. She uses a cotton round to apply those. All right. We have a City Color Be Matte blush in Sweet Pea. We have a setting powder which just went everywhere. That's my fault. She totally warned me about that and I completely forgot. Oh, balls to the wall. And then all we have left is a little, her favorite eyeliner, which is already broken. Oh my god, this is such a mess. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. And we have mascara. I'm gonna use my own mascara though, because eye infections. And don't worry, I will sanitize this first as well. I don't even see brow product. She didn't even used to do her brows. My mom has amazing eyebrows. I know you guys think my brows are good. My mom's are even better. She's got like arch and tail and everything. All right, so I know she said that she applies, she doesn't use primer. She uses this with her fingers. If you want to watch the last weekly vlog where we like went through the products and she like told me her old routine, you can go watch that. Okay, I'm just gonna go right in. Oh my god, she just uses her fingers. Oh man, this already just looks like a tinted moisturizer. Oh god. My hands are clean, FYI. It's doing nothing. Oh my god. It's literally not doing anything. Maybe if I like pat it, I can get more coverage. Curse her and her beautiful skin. Maybe if I like spot conceal. Oh no. It doesn't even look like I put anything on my face. Okay, I got a little coverage out of it. It feels so greasy. Ugh, this foundation feels awful. Okay, foundation's on. Fantastic. All right, so I'll be more careful now. This is the MAC Next to Nothing pressed powder. Yes, yes. She's like, I recommend taking some from up here so you don't have to get it everywhere. Okay, yeah. I don't really know what exactly I'm setting. There's barely anything on. Okay, this is gonna be such a quick video. All right, so this, I'm pretty sure I gave her all this makeup like a while back too, because I remember this. So, all right, this is her little kit here. Oh, it even has a highlighter. All right, so this is how she does it. This is how she does it. Okay. Mom, I would use the brush, but she said she only uses that to put on her powder and her blush. So now I'm just contouring with my little thing. She's gifted. She made this look good, pretty good. Oh my god. I guess I could use the brush. I mean, I'm just using her products, but I want to do it how she does it. Oh my god. She's like, you're going to be amazed at how well the cotton round works. Okay. Blending, blending, blending. Oh Lord. Because I have so much like acne scarring. If I had like nice skin, this might look fine, but I don't have any coverage on my face. All right, I think I have blended that the best I can. I'm gonna take a little of that banana powder and try to get a little brightness under my eye because she doesn't use under eye concealer or anything. I look absolutely crazy. All right, let's go ahead and use some of her blush in her one brush. I'm trying to like make this look better. There is a highlighter in here too. I'll take the highlighter and just try to put a little on. Is this saving the look? It's saving the look. It's actually a really good highlighter. Okay, NYX. Okay. I can't believe we're like already almost done. I can't even look at myself. I wish she had concealer. If she used concealer. All right. So I'm going to try to use her little pencil. And I'm just going to sanitize it. It's like so thick. It's her favorite one, so she refuses to get rid of it. You know when you just have a favorite product? All right, I'm going to use the smear here. I'm just going to put a little on my lash line. I don't quite know why this is her favorite. It's so hard to maneuver because it's so short. This is so difficult. Okay, so she wanted me to use her mascara because she said it was super dry and she like never changes her mascara. So I have a really old dry mascara that I'm gonna use myself. I really need a new one of these. It is so dry. You can even just see this looks like so dry. I'm just gonna apply a little mascara. Okay, that's it. How do I look, guys? Do I look beautiful? Do I look gorgeous? The only thing that I can take away from this is that the highlighter in this is actually popping. I think if I had had a more full coverage foundation, I could have probably pulled this off better. But when you don't have like a flawless base, everything else just looks mad. Like, it just doesn't look good. So I hope you guys got a little kick out of this video. I really had a good time doing it. I'm excited for my mom to see it. She doesn't even have like a lip product. I know she just doesn't even really wear lip product either. Like, she's so simple. She's definitely come into more makeup as of late. Like when was it? A month or two ago, she was like, I need new makeup. So like I brought her a bunch of new makeup, like each step, and now she's really loving it. But like this was her routine for like probably like a decade. Like really simple makeup, and she always just looks so pretty. So she's just naturally really pretty. I, on the other hand, need a little bit more to look the way that I look. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I kind of want to do some other like really fun videos, like maybe the 10-minute makeup 5-minute makeup challenge, the no mirror makeup challenge. I kind of just want to like do some fun stuff and just get some giggles. So let me know what you want to see down below or in the comments. I can't even believe like how I look. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna go wash my face. I love you guys. Bye.